Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So a lot of you had requested that you wanted to see how Buffer works for scheduling. So I'm going to show you step by step how Buffer is a tool that helps you schedule all your content at different social media platforms today. Okay, so let's get started. I'll share my screen. So um, I'm on buffer.com website, and you can go to login and or like get started now if you're new to it. Since I am already um, since I'm already using Buffer, I can directly log in and it opens this page. So login process is not difficult. You can sign in through Google or directly from your email. Right. So how can like this page will come, right? Let's get you connected and ready to go. So we need to connect our social media channels. So I just clicked on that button and yeah. So you can connect up to 4 accounts in a free trial. And if you get a pro, then I think you can connect more number of accounts, even your business accounts. Like you can connect the LinkedIn page or LinkedIn profile here. You can connect a Instagram business account. You can add a page, or you can even add a Facebook group here. Even for Pinterest, you have two types of accounts and Twitter profile. Let me just log in. And so I'm waiting for my Twitter account to be connected here. So for this, like if you're not already logged into Twitter from the website, I will recommend you to do that first. Otherwise, it will direct you there, right? Uh, Once you go to your channels from this tab here, you can see that my Twitter profile is now connected. I can also connect a new channel from here, and let's try LinkedIn profile. So right now I'm telling you only how to use the free version of Buffer, right? And like you can take up the paid version and you can have more than you can have up to I think 10 channels or even more than that. So let's get started to publishing. You can go to the publishing tab right there. So you can see I have zero tweets scheduled for today, right? And you would like to change your timings from here. So it's Europe or London timing, but since I am in India, I will change my time zone. Okay, so you can I'll maybe type Kolkata. Yeah, so Kolkata, India. Yes. Okay, so it has been successfully saved, right? And you can also choose your posting times from here, right? Um, like you can whenever you set up these timings, you can edit these timings from here. So you can clear all posting times from here, right? It will empty it, or else what you can do is you can turn this off and you can delete any particular time. Like these are set by default, so you can change it from here as well, or you can simply clear it off. That will also work. So I'm not making any changes right now here. And you can also add another posting time if you want from here, right? You can do it on weekdays, weekends, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You can select your day, you can select your time, and you can add a posting time. It will be added to this list here. right here. So let's get back to the queue tab, and we can schedule a tweet for tomorrow. So let me think of what we can schedule. Yeah, so you can either edit the post times from the settings tab, or you can, if you want to do it for one particular day for one particular time, you can edit the day and the time here. Or right here is the slots, time slots, or you can select a custom time anytime you want, any minute, and obviously AM or PM. So let's do it for 10 a.m. tomorrow. You can even tag people from here, right? Directly if you know their Twitter ID, and you can add an emoji from here. All right. So you can also upload an image or video here, and you can also add some hashtags, speaker session. So on Twitter, it is not recommended that you use more than one or two hashtags, right? So don't bombard your posts with hashtags. Schedule posts, and there you are done. The only problem with Twitter, scheduling it on Twitter, is that it shows that you have scheduled it via buffer, and there's no way we can control that. Okay, so let's get to LinkedIn now. And I have a post ready for tomorrow, and I would like to schedule it. I'll edit this timing to maybe about 11 a.m. So scheduling on LinkedIn is not usually recommended because it affects the reach of your post. Yeah, I usually post at 11:30 a.m. So I selected that time, and I will just type out the post. So the issue here is that you can't add the document to this for now, and you also can't make a poll for your LinkedIn profile. So if you want to do that, you have to post directly at your preferred timing. So you can say that Buffer supports only text posts, images, and videos. So it's recommended to have 5 to 6 hashtags. So I'll add a few. Okay. If you want to use Buffer for your Instagram, you will have to install the Buffer app on your mobile. So our post is scheduled for tomorrow 11:30 a.m. on LinkedIn, and for 10 a.m. on Twitter. This analytics tab will tell you something for, like, once a post has gone live. So we can see the analytics after the post has gone live. Let me tell you about the different tabs now. So the analytics tab will be active tomorrow when I've already posted my first tweet. So the awaiting approval and drafts section, both of them are for premium accounts. Then we can add more people to manage the same account. So you can add team members if you upgrade this, right? Currently you cannot add any team member to help you on Buffer, and the same goes for Publer as well. So Publer and Buffer are quite similar in terms of functioning, And like once you've understood Buffer, you won't have much of a difficulty in managing Pablo. You can also create campaigns here, but since I have a free account, I can't do that. All right, let's go to different tab. Okay, so now I'm in the analytics tab, and it's this one will give you an insight for all your social media accounts, right? While the analytics tab that we saw in that particular channel is for that particular channel, but here you can get it for all social media accounts. But this is again a 14-day thing. Like you can take a 14-day free trial, or you can purchase it for $50 a month. Let's go to engagement tab. Yeah, so even the engagement tab can, so even the engagement tab can be assessed after you have the pro paid plan. So in the free plan, you can only schedule content, and I think that is important to help you remain consistent. As far as the analytics are concerned, the social media analytics are great to help you um, analyze how your content is performing and what changes you need to make. So feel free to explore Buffer more and let me know if you find something new that works for free. Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope it was helpful for you. Let me know if you want any other videos of any other tools in the comment section below. And stay safe, take care, get vaccinated, and see you in the next video.